Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be telling you how to design a pyramid in the free SketchUp and print it with the original Prusa Mini. So your SketchUp screen is going to be like this if you already signed in or created an account. Then you go to create new, simple template meters, and then it's going to take a little time to load. So once it's like this, you can just delete this. You press the O key to orbit and shift, then the R key for the square. It doesn't matter on the size you make it. And then you make lines from the midpoint. Then you change the view. And make sure the line is coming in blue. So once you've done this, you can rename it. Or you can just go to the search and search export STL, and then it's gonna download an STL file. So in Prusaslicer, you just click on this button, which is actually the add button. That's gonna open your file explorer, from where you can choose which file you wanna add. So the file explorer is open. I choose this because this is the pyramid, and I click on open, and it takes a little while to add the model. And you can just select the printer you have from over here. So my pyramid is come, but it's so small, so you have to zoom in. You have to click on this. There's going to be the scale icon. You can either scale it from here, or you can enter the size you want. So I want it to be of this much, and I want 100 infill. So you should always do brim so that the model sticks more to the heat pad. So I choose 100 and then choose yes, and I just increase the size a little. Yup. So then after that, I take the pen drive that came with the original Prusa Mini and insert it into my device. So you just click on slice now, where it might take a little time. So once it's been sliced, you can just choose the pen drive you're using, and you can rename it. Or if you can also do that, suppose you wanna take less time for the print, you just go to 3D and you decrease the size. So you can set the size to maybe 12, and then you have to re-slice it. You can either press Ctrl R, so that it's come 9 minutes. So I just click on this. See, so I'm saving the G code. Yep. So you can you can remove the device, and yeah. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe and share, and feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below.